Don J, a Cameroon artist based abroad, offers a free video to Elizabeth Teke's album. He says, "I'm willing to give Mama Elizabeth a free video, and so I'm calling on her team to connect with me." And he continues by saying that Elizabeth Teke has done music for so many years and has brought out the culture of all Cameroonians and still very consistent, but has never had the opportunity or the support from Cameroonians and especially from artists. Of recent, Elizabeth Teke has been trending all social media, be it Instagram, Twitter, WhatsApp, Facebook, with her campaign on helping her promote her album, helping her promote her songs. And this act was done by bloggers, by young people in Cameroon who saw that initiative of supporting Elizabeth Teke after doing music for so long and still left in the dark. Still about Elizabeth Teke, Old Pancho, popularly known as CY International, applauds bloggers and youths for taking this initiative to help our gospel musician Elizabeth Teke on a campaign on not only Twitter but WhatsApp, Facebook, and all social media platforms. CY International says that he is indeed proud of Cameroonians and the youth in particular, and that is why he has been saying that we have to promote our culture, we have to promote our artists, and the reason why he is feeling so happy and encouraged because the reduction of foreign music is having a positive impact on Cameroonian artists and youth. CY, popularly known as AKA Nyanga Dross and AKA Dirty Little Bird, he says a good message of change is always castigated with a lot of negativities and a lot of jealousy. To him, he knows all his haters and he knows that the progress of the music industry in Cameroon lies in his hands, and that is why he will try everything possible to make sure that everything goes as planned. And he's saying that this Elizabeth Teke campaign is coming as a result of his cry of the reduction of the consumption of foreign music from 80 to 20%. And he says that look at Elizabeth Teke, what is happening is just a case study and an example for others to follow. He is proud to say that Elizabeth Teke's songs will be played not only in clubs but in bars, and others will be dancing and saying, "Oh God, Elizabeth Teke, you don't blow. Finally, your day don't break, your sun don't shine." CY International also says that he has faced a lot of difficulties coming up with projects like this, and he's so happy and so overwhelmed to see the results and using Elizabeth Teke as a case study. Still in Cameroon, Cameroon rapper Tila declares herself the most outstanding rapper in Cameroon. Tila, like we know her, she has worked with artists like Jovi, worked with artists from the New Bell, and Tila on a tweet says that in just no time she's going to blow and she's going to stand as the most outstanding rapper, that is not only female rapper, but in general and in quotes, rapper in Cameroon. We have feedbacks and other tweets from fans and from, let's say, haters or others who think that what this girl is saying, Tila, is actually really not making any sense. And a fan of hers or someone comes on social media and says that, "Tila, I really don't know who you are. I don't know the songs you've ever played. I've never been a fan of you, but you have not even left Cameroon, talk less of Douala or Yaoundé, and you're already talking of being the most outstanding rapper in Cameroon. How is that possible? And I don't even like your style of weed and all the like." We have other comments and other reactions from fans, or let's say from haters, like they always put it. And rumor has it that Tila is a mother to a very beautiful baby. And yet, Tila does not respect herself, especially online. You know, just not long ago, Tila was online on a tweet and with apologies, after following insults that she gave to her fans and so many other people online. So the question is, what could be happening to Tila? Is it okay? Others say that Tila is influenced by weed. Others say that Tila actually is lack of education. Others say that Tila is just a naive artist and sometimes she gets so boring or she gets so idle and she has nothing to do. All she knows how to do is to get to social media and talk rubbish. Still in Cameroon, Kameni and Ming spotted together in an interesting manner. The question is, could it be that this picture was taken out of friendship? Could this be as a result of the cold weather in Cameroon in particular? Or is it as a result of maybe a video shoot or something? We don't know actually the reason why they were spotted together like this intimate. And fans are like, it's like it's like Kameni and Mings have something on the ground going. But we really do not know because we don't have enough evidence to show if Kameni and Mings have something more than just being artists and liking each other as mates. But from this picture, you can judge for yourself. Maybe it's actually the cold weather because the rainy season now is getting so wild and so serious. So sometimes one has to help another. All right, still in Cameroon, let's check out pre-wedding photos of Cameroon actress and entrepreneur Sang Dilong and her husband Cyril. We know about this lady. She's one of the most outstanding entrepreneurs we know in Cameroon. And she's a very well-known actress. And just not long ago, we received pre-wedding photos of this beautiful lady and entrepreneur and her husband, Cyril. As you can see, she's very beautiful, very outstanding, and they look really good together. We say congratulations to you. And still about weddings, we are still in Cameroon talking about our weddings, where we take you to another wedding. Cameroon's music producer Slim Beats is actually off the market. And he takes picture of his wedding with his wife, that is a white. And just not long ago, social media has been posting pictures, every artist saying, congratulations to Slim Beats. I guess it's time for weddings. And we say congratulations to you. And these pictures, actually, they were taken in Uganda where he tied a knot. And we equally say congratulations to our actress and entrepreneur Sang Dilong, and not forgetting Slim Beats, the producer. Have all the best in your marital home. Let's have a break. We'll be right back to get into our international page. Stay with us.